Hello! If you want to create beautiful visuals, you should improve various elements of their formatting. You can do so by changing colors, adding frame, shadows, etc. If you want to truly enhance them, use conditional formatting. Let's see how it's done. We'll start with a simple report based on data about sales of confectionery products. Here you can see a table visual and a cluster bar chart. Both visuals already have applied some kinds of formatting. To enhance them, we'll add conditional formatting. This technique is primarily made for table and matrix visuals. It can be also used within some types of charts. To add conditional formatting, first select a visual. I will select a table visual. Then go to the measure which you want to use to perform conditional formatting and open its contextual menu. In this example, I'll use implicit measure that calculates sum of all quantities. If you enter the conditional formatting menu, you'll see that it offers 5 types of formatting: background color, font color, data bars, icons, and web URL. First option changes background color depending on its settings. Let's activate this option. Format style could be set as gradient, rules, and field value. First value is the default one. Second and third let you choose settings according to selected field. You should also define the field which formatting is performed by and an aggregation function. Many apply to is used to choose if conditional formatting is applied to values, totals, or both. Also, there is an option by which one could define how to treat zeros. Minimum and maximum are options by which we define colors for lowest and highest values. If you want, you can also add a middle color. After we apply the rules of conditional formatting, the best way to see the result is to sort values within a column that contains a measure used for formatting. We will add another conditional formatting. Let's choose data bars. Further, let's add icons formatting. If you want, you can remove one, more, or all conditional formatting settings. It is also possible to set conditional formatting for charts. Choose a chart, enter the formatting menu, choose an option to format series of data, e.g. bars, click on FX button. Here you can set conditional formatting for a series of data. As you can see, most of your visuals will be much better after adding conditional formatting. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.